Hi, welcome to ININE revision classes. These revision classes are meant to help you with different strategies to solve problems. Of course, tough problems. It also expose you to different types of problems and also to prepare you mainly for the NCERT Board Exams. Of course, you should expect a bit of background noise as well. What you should not expect is a detailed calculation. Expect is detailed calculation of each and every problem because we want you to do that so that your speed increases and you will perform better in the examinations. For more revision and daily practice, download our app from Google Play Store, and also for study materials and question papers you can visit our website. And in case of doubts, you can write to us at contact@inine.in. So happy learning. Come, let us solve this sum now. So given data, sum of first terms or sum of first 10 terms, it is 210, and sum of last 15 terms, it is 2565. Since there are 50 terms, let us understand what exactly the given data means. So we have 50 terms, let's say term 1, term 2, term 3, up to term 10, and then up to 20, 30, then 40, and then 50. So here, when I add first 10 terms, I get 210. So that is this data. When I add last 15 terms, that is, so if I add up to 36, because 50 to 36 is 15 terms. If I add last 15 terms, it is 2565. Now what we need to find is A, A2, A3. That is basically the AP. How we can do this? We know S10 equal to 210 and yes, 50 to 36 it is equal to 2565. So we already know Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now with this formula, how we are going to solve? S10 can be written as 10 by 2 2a plus 9d, because n minus 1, n equal to 10 and hence n minus 1 is 9. So this is 210 equal to 5 into 2a plus 9d, or we can write this as an equation 2a plus 9d equal to 42. Let us call this as equation number 1. We need another equation and we have this data. How we are going to work with this data? Let us use something called the reverse AP, wherein you will take the last term, that is here the 50th term, as A, and the difference between the terms, it is taken as minus D. To understand this, let's say we have 4 terms in an AP. Here 4 plus 5 9 plus 5 14 plus 5 19. So here if you notice, if this is A, D is 5. That is, I am counting or I am making a series from left to right. So reverse AP basically means making the series from right to left, wherein 19 will become the A and this will become minus D. That is, I am going to subtract D from 19. So the same concept we are going to use here. Though we don't know A, so we will write that as A50. Because it still belongs to the same series, here we refer A as the first term of the series. So therefore, S50 to 36, it is equal to, of course there are 15 terms, so 15 by 2 and 2A, here 50th term is the A, so we will take 2A50 plus 14D. Right, 2565 equal to 15 by 2, 2 times of A50 plus 14 into minus D. I forgot to write D as minus D because this minus D is something what we get when we use reverse AP. 171 equal to A50 minus 7D. Of course, A50 is A49 or A plus 49D. A plus 49D minus 7D equal to 171. D, notice that we are not using minus D here. Simple reason, this A50, it is written from forward AP now. Okay, that is from left to right. So that gives us 171 equal to A plus 42D. So let us call this as equation number 2. Now what you need to do is, you need to solve this equation and this equation to get the value of A and D. So once you get the values of A and D, the AP will be A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. Let us solve these types of proof sums quite often that you might be encountering. So what we need to prove is S30 equal to 3 times of S20 minus S10. The strategy here is to consider LHS first and then prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So now in LHS, what we have is S30. So S30 can be written as 30 by 2, 2A plus 29D. Don't worry about the values of A or D for that matter. So what you will be getting is 15 into 2A plus 29D. Similarly, now consider RHS. The first term here is S20, S2A plus 19D. Similarly, S10 equal to 10 by 2, 2A plus 9D. Basically, what you got to do here is simplify S30, simplify S10, simplify S20, simplify S10 and substitute it in this equation. Now this is in the simplified form. Now we can write S20 equal to 10 times of 2A plus 19D S10 equal to 5 times of 2a plus 90. Substitute this value here and this value here and S10 here, and multiply S20 minus S10 with 3, and you will find that the final output of RHS, it will be equal to LHS. This is how you should prove such sums. This is fairly an easy sum. Here in the given AP, notice that this is A and 117 minus 121, which is equal to minus 4, is equal to D. Notice that each and every term it reduces, that is going forward the terms reduces. This is a decreasing AP, and there will be a situation where it decreases to such an extent that it will lead to some negative terms. So we need to find the nth term when the value of the term is negative, value of the first negative term. So how we can find this? Let us assume that if we keep writing like this, we'll end up somewhere at 0. Obviously, the next term of 0 might be minus 4, or it will be for that matter, because we have D equal to minus 4. So this is our assumption. So now consider this as A, consider this as AN. Now we know AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So 0 equal to 121 plus N minus 1 into minus 4. So what this gives us is 4n minus 4 equal to 121, 4n equal to 125, or n equal to 31.25. So going forward in this AP, where this is the first term, this is the second term, 0 falls somewhere around 31.2 fifth term. But remember, term value is always an integer. So 31.25 may not be possible, which may 31.25, the term 31.25 equals 0 is not possible, which means the term before 31.25, let's say 31, it would have been some value which is greater than 0. So after 31.25 is 0, which means 32nd term it will be negative. So the first negative term appears at 32nd term of this AP. Now let us look at this particular problem. Given that the sum of first n terms is 3n square plus 4n, which means Sn equal to 3n square plus 4n. What we need to find is 25th term, that is A25. So we already know A25 will be equal to A plus 24D. So we need to find the value of A and D to get this value. How we can do this? Let us understand. So let us also understand that A25 can be written as A25 equal to S25 minus S24. Now we can get S25 by substituting n in this equation, which is equal to 3 into 25 square plus 4 into 25. And similarly, we can find the value of S24 by substituting n equal to 24 in this equation. So this is S25 minus 3 into 24 square plus 4 into 24. $151. Leaving the calculation part to the students. Solve this sum now. So what we need to find is the number of natural numbers, that is total number of terms between 101 and 999. That is, the AP lies between 101 and 999. Here the AP is such that all the numbers are divisible by both 2 and 5. So when we say a number is divisible by both 2 and 5, it means the number is divisible by 10. Obviously 101 is not divisible by 10 and 999 is not divisible by 10. So the first number between 101 and 999, which is divisible by 10, is 110. The next number would be 120, and we go up to 990 here. So this is the AP, 110 and 990. Here this is A, this is D, this is L, and 120 minus 110, which is 10, this is equal to D. Now we need to find N. So we know L equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, or 990 equal to 110 plus N minus 1 into 10. So solve this to get the value of N. Fairly easy, isn't it?